Okay, I'm making this video, so hopefully it'll help somebody else with a John Deere 870. This one's about 30 years old, and it's a old Yanmar John Deere, and you can tell because some of these things have Chinese writing on some of the parts. In any case, I had a hard time starting it the other day out of the blue. It usually fires right up, but I even tried in the preheat position, and it wasn't firing up. It took about 10 seconds of cranking before it would stagger to life. So I got to poking around in here, and I figured out that it was, this tractor does not have glow plugs, these old Yanmars. What they have is it's an air intake heater, and the part number is M80118. So super easy. I'm not even going to do the repair. I'm just going to show you what to do to replace this. So first thing you do is take off that or loosen up that hose clamp. Completely remove the air hose. You'll have easy access to the air heater. Slide this contact back. You don't even have to take the battery cables off because there's nothing energized as long as the key is off. This is a 10 millimeter nut. Unscrew that nut. Careful, there's a lock washer on it. Take that off. Take this lead completely off, and then take off crack these 12 millimeter bolts. Just crack them and then loosen them up completely. And what it looks like, this is the old one. When you put it in the preheat position with the key, that element right there should get hot, and mine was not. It was just cold as ice, and so it was not preheating the air when you go to start it, and so it wouldn't start. And you'd have to basically compression start it with the starter, and that's real hard on the starter. So in any case, easy fix. Be careful. I had to wrap it a few times with a hammer to get it to break loose from the gasket. There is a gasket on there. I reused the old gasket. I just cleaned it up a little bit, bolted this right on there, and she fires right up. Putting it back together is just the opposite of what I said. Put your hose back on, tighten up your hose clamps, and you're good to go. Hope this helps somebody. Keep in mind that part number M80118. Happy tractor.